Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of April 16th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is money. Pinkalicious and the Pink Drink by Victoria Kann. It was a sunny day, too hot to play. I was blowing bubbles in the shade. That made me think of the giant bubblegum machine at the toy store. I ran inside to check my piggy bank. It was empty. I wanted a gumball. I wanted 20 gumballs. I wanted 35 gumballs, pink ones. But how could I get the money to buy them? Mommy said, let's have a lemonade stand. Pink lemonade, I said, pink, pink, pink. Mommy got out the pitcher and the sugar and the lemons. I know how, I said, I'll do it myself. I put the sugar and the water into the pitcher. I squeezed the lemons. I stirred it all together. It was yummy, but it wasn't pink. I opened the fridge. I didn't find any pink lemons, but I found some other pinkish things. Pink grapefruit, pink watermelon, pink frosting, and a bowl full of purplicious beets. I put all of them in the pitcher and I stirred it all up. My little brother Peter helped me put my pink lemonade stand. I let him try the lemonade for free. Weird, said Peter. Kind of chewy. I like it. Mr. Peabody came by and gave me a quarter. My first real customer. Mr. Peabody made a face. It's definitely missing something, he said. Either that or it has too much of something else. I had an idea. The sweeter the better, I said. I ran and got the honey bear and squeezed the honey in. Peter stirred and, oh no, he knocked over the pitcher. I'm sorry, Pinkalicious, he said. Don't get mad. I got mad. That's easy to fix, Pinkalicious. We'll make some more, said Mommy. I started to get out the pink grapefruit, pink watermelon, pink frosting, and purplicious beets. What's all that, Mommy asked. That's how to make it pink, I told her. Mommy said, how about we just use one thing to make it pink this time? And she pulled out some strawberries. It wasn't as exciting or as lumpy as the first batch, but it was still beautiful pink lemonade. I sold the whole pitcher in no time flat. I went to the toy store with my lemonade stand money. 6 quarters, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, and 10 pennies. 9 gumballs, pink ones, 8 for me, and 1 for Peter. Peter looked sad. I gave him 3 and kept 6. Peter still looked sad. I stuffed 1 gumball in my mouth, kept 4, and gave 4 to Peter. Even Stephen, Peter said. He was very happy. Gumballs don't last forever, and my piggy bank is empty again. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a bake sale. I can make pink cupcakes. The end. Okay, we're going to make a lemonade stand, and what you need is something to color with, either markers, crayons. I have these paint pens I'm going to use. You'll need your Craft to Go kit, which is a whole bunch of sticks, and you'll need some glue. Now the first thing I'm going to do is construct the lemonade stand. There's also magnets in here that you can put on the back if you want to turn it into like a little picture frame. Now what we're going to do is put a little dot of glue on each and glue this across. And trying to make that as straight as you can. Do the same a little bit higher. With the other. So you have 2 of these regular sticks, and they go down here. And at the top of the 2 jumbo sticks, you put a 3rd jumbo stick, and this will be the top of your lemonade stand. Oops. And it should hang off the edges a little bit. Now I'm going to turn it sideways. And we're going to glue the little tiny sticks on. And we just put glue up one side. Glue it on this side. And stick these sticks on so that the bottoms are at the bottom. Meet the bottom of the lemonade stand. And try to get them as even as you can. It's okay if glue pokes up, it'll dry. And again, this is a kid's lemonade stand, so of course it's not going to be perfect. It just adds to the charm of it, makes it look more realistic. We just lay these across. And then once we're done with that, we leave it to dry. And after it dries, we can paint it. So I'll come back when it's all dry. Now that it's dry, we have to paint it and put on the magnets. So first I'm going to put on the magnets because you don't want to wait for the paint to dry, and they're just peel and stick magnets. So you just peel off the back, stick it on there. And yeah, you can use this, just hang it on your fridge or use it as a little picture frame. That's 3. And number 4. These aren't very strong magnets, so it might slide a bit. So I'm going to paint with these paint sticks. I'm going to make mine yellow and pink. And I'm just going to basically color the paint on. And I'm going to make stripes. Yellow and pink makes me think of lemonade because of pink lemonade and yellow lemonade. So that's why I chose yellow and pink for my lemonade stand, but you choose whatever colors you'd like. And I'll come back when I'm done painting. Okay, it's all painted now, and that paint stuff dries really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and print lemonade up here so we all know it's a lemonade stand. Of course, I should have done that before I painted the bottom, but it just says lemonade 25 cents. And that's all there is to it.